SC-450D Battery Escalator Cleaner. Escalator cleaner is dedicated to the step-ladder elevator daily cleaning, maintenance and professional cleaning machinery. Super Clean SC-450D Battery Escalator Cleaner. The width is 450 mm. Adapt to all kinds of standard and non-standard step-ladder cleaning. The machine uses 24-volt battery power supply to eliminate the leakage accidents. Without external power supply, cord makes use more convenient. This is particularly suitable for public elevator sweep cleaner. Dust collection box capacity is 5 liters. A cleaning stepladder elevator 1,000 meters. The machine is equipped with two 40 ampere-hour capacity battery. It can work continuously for more than 1.2 hours and clean continuously stepladder elevator 1,000 meters after fully charged. Using famous brand strong mute aspiration motor and roll brush of the motor, the machine work noise is below 65 decibels. The collapsible handle is convenient to transport and layout at the job site. SC-450D Battery Escalator Cleaner is efficient and reliable. It is the most sincere cleaner of the automatic stepladder.